Hello guys, Mehul back again with another new video, and today I actually gonna show you three different kind of Figma component library from a single person, and he literally has made it great. Like literally, it's awesome. So let's see which type of components that we have today. Then we will discuss further about it. Okay. So today we will be talking about three Figma projects, or like Figma library compilation, or whatever you want to call it, from this guy, Boro UI UX. Like I kind of feel like he's trying to say it like bro type. Okay, so yeah, that kind of thing, whatever. So we gonna talk about these three things today, like this 555 input variation. Like if you add every permutation and combination, that ends up being 555 552. So that's how that's happened. Then this element variation and button variation. Okay, so I have opened all of them three. So here is our UI element variation. So we simply have two tabs over here, and if I zoom into it, then we will be able to see what are the things that are available. Okay, here are hobo states, sizes and all. Those are our toggle buttons. Okay, this is specifically toggle button, and as you can see, there are too many styles of it as well, like different shades and style of it. Okay, and here we can see that as well for checkbox, because checkbox is as well a toggle button, because like what toggle button and checkbox do is like giving the boolean statement true or false. That's it about like checkboxes or toggle buttons. Now here we have different kind of like unstated state. We have that kind of button also, toggle also. Okay, we have all of its states. Then we have loaders. So yeah, a kind of a great thing that we see everywhere. I don't know how many times we actually use it, but we should use loader time to times, because it's a important part of your UI design. Then we have some loader in tooltips as well. So this is another kind, and then we have normal tooltips, and that's basically it. That wrap up all of the elements of this particular design library, that is UI elements variants. Now let's go to button. Now similarly, he has a lot of button variants, as you can see, and you can most probably find like every kind of button that you have seen so far in websites or anywhere else. Okay, so here is square kind of button, here is slightly rounded edge, it's more rounded edge, then capsule buttons, then button with icons, button with loading signs. Every kind of thing is available over here. Now it's feeling jittery. Okay, wait, I'm feeling hypnotized now. So yeah, here we have every kind of button, and in all shapes possible. Okay, as you can see, we have outlined one, we have just normal ones, we have ghost ones, we have everything, every possible button we have over here. So that's about the button section. Now let's go to our third thing, that is input variants. And in input variants, we do have a lot of things, like a lot of form fills, as you can see over here. Like most probably you have seen all of them somewhere in your life, in some probably platform, while filling up forms. And here you have everything, like this levitated level ones, this normal ones, these ones which have like different background color, then only outline ones, then just a rounded edge ones. Like every kind of input is there. Then we have like icons, input with icons as well. That is as well important. and icons in both of the sides, in right side, in left side as well. So yeah, there are tons of variants that you can use from. Okay. I know sometimes you may get totally lost in this vast majority of icons, not icons, vast majority of like elements that you have. But believe me, it's gonna be too much useful in your next project whenever you wanna create something new, in some new project, like you are working in some of the UI or so what. You know where to get the basic elements from. You don't have to recreate it again and again and again. And if you don't like anything like about certain button or certain thing, you just can like make some of the like take some of the variants of one similar like one button, and keep it into your project file, detach all of those components and make new components from them. You got your style then, that's it. That's the easy way out to get started with this, those really really great packs. So that's about it about this video. If you like really like those kind of videos, like whatever I produce, please do like to my like give my videos a like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the great elements, UI elements, UI projects, or whatever, like whatever is trending in Figma community, if you know something like that, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well. And by the way, our Figma emoji, like our Figma set of emojis, what the heck am I saying, our emoji set, box emojis, got around 300, like more than 300 duplication, and we are really happy about that, like people are liking it. So yeah, kind of a proud moment. So that's another update. So that's it. Bye.